Put it on, you can see the screen here, and now these are the controls. So here we go. For you to lower the machine, just press it. Here the machine rolling, you can see it rolling. That means the machine is going all the way down. If you want to slow down the machine, stop now. If you want to bring it back, just check. Now it recoils. You can see it recoiling. Same thing. So to go in there. Now let's go to our first borehole machine. We have installed the stabilizer. You can see it there. This is to keep the camera stable when in the machine. So we open the first inspection board. Come and see. Yes, there are geckos here. That's normal. But as you can see, nobody can see the inside of this. So that's the essence of this camera. Now, we just lower this camera in there. Come and see that. Yes, that's it. As it's going down, looks so lovely. Put it there. Let's see the camera. You can see the light. Can you see that? Let it go deeper. You can see the light. Can you see the camera and the light as it's going in there? It's going in there. Can you see that? If you want to increase the speed of the camera lowering, you just do this. You can see cables. That's one cable. That's another one. So let it go down. Down. You can see. You see going further down, that's a cable. So you see everything going in there, you see it clearly. Very easy to use. Can you see? That's the wall of the casing. Wall of the casing. Now that's the wall of the casing. See that a bit. As we do that, you can see as we are lowering it, the machine is also recording the depth of the that's the voltage meter. Pause. The head of the broken pipe somewhere. You can see that broken pipe. I'll pause it now. You can bring out the pipe later on, but let's go beyond the pipe. We're going beyond the pipe now. So it's still going. You can see it's going. On the casing, those are cobwebs. Yeah, because the borehole had been abandoned for almost 4 or 5 years. Today we're going to see what the problem is and then be able to fix it. So all you need to do is just control the speed of the movements here. Now I'm going to stop it a bit. At this point you can see the broken casing there. So we need to be careful when lowering the camera. This is at 26.9. That's where the broken casing is, as can be seen here. 26.9. Now let's go beyond the broken casing. all the way down. The pacing here is broken. Yes, now you can see the camera is no longer moving, so that means there's a blockage there. So let's bring back the camera. Okay, let's see whether it will also go back and see. It's stuck there. The camera is stuck. We'll bring it back again. Oh no, you can't go beyond that point. It's too bad.
Come on, bro. No. Okay.
Good. So